everyone, welcome to today's lesson where we're going to embark on a fascinating journey into the history of space exploration. The focus of our odyssey today is a monumental initiative that changed our relationship with the cosmos forever: the Apollo program. This wasn't just a series of missions, it was a beacon of hope, a testament of human courage and ingenuity, and a thrilling chapter in the annals of human achievement. Born out of the intense rivalry of the Cold War, the Apollo program was the United States' audacious response to the space race, a cosmic competition with the Soviet Union that extended far beyond the confines of our planet. These were not just missions to the moon, they were journeys into the unknown, daring leaps into the great beyond that forever expanded our understanding of the universe. So, buckle up, as we take a trip back in time and explore the incredible achievements that marked a giant leap for humankind. Our story begins in the midst of the Cold War, a tense period of rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union. This was not just a battle of ideologies but also a race for global supremacy. The world watched as these two superpowers locked horns, not just on Earth but in the vast expanse of space, and thus, the space race was born. The space race was more than just a competition, it was a demonstration of technological prowess, a test of national pride, and a symbol of the future. It was a race to the stars, a quest to conquer the unknown. But more than that, it was a testament to human ingenuity and the unyielding spirit of exploration. In this theater of cosmic competition, the United States unveiled its trump card, the Apollo program. The Soviet Union had already made its mark by sending the first man, Yuri Gagarin, into space. The United States had to make a bold move, and the Apollo program was its answer. This ambitious program was not just about reaching the moon, it was about demonstrating American resilience and innovation. The Apollo program was a massive undertaking involving thousands of people, billions of dollars, and countless hours of labor. But why the moon? Why not Mars or Venus? The moon was chosen because it was within reach, and it was a visible goal. Every night it shone brightly in the sky, a constant reminder of the challenge that lay ahead. A challenge that was not just a scientific endeavor, but also a symbolic one. By aiming for the moon, the United States was making a statement of intent, of purpose, and of its technological prowess. The Apollo program was more than just a moonshot. It was a beacon of hope in a time of uncertainty. It was a symbol of human potential and our innate desire to explore the unknown. And so, the stage was set. The Cold War was not just being fought on political, economic, and military fronts. It had expanded beyond our planet into the realm of the stars. Both nations were determined to showcase their technological prowess, and the Apollo program became a pivotal part of this cosmic competition. The Apollo program was NASA's response to the challenge, with a primary goal to land humans on the moon and safely return them to Earth. Now, that's not to say the mission objective stopped there, far from it. The Apollo program was about so much more than simply setting foot on the moon. In addition to the monumental task of lunar landing, the program was designed with a number of scientific objectives in mind. Lunar exploration was a key priority. The astronauts were trained to conduct geological fieldwork, to better understand the moon's composition and history. They were also tasked with collecting samples of lunar soil and rocks, to be brought back for analysis here on Earth. But the scientific curiosity didn't stop there. The Apollo astronauts also conducted experiments right there on the lunar surface, studying everything from the moon's magnetic field to its seismic activity. So you see, but it wasn't just about planting a flag. The program had several scientific objectives. The Apollo program unfolded over several missions, each building on the successes and lessons learned from the previous ones. So let's dive into this timeline that charts the course of an extraordinary endeavor. The journey began with Apollo 1, a tragic mission that never left the ground. In January of 1967, a cabin fire during a launch rehearsal test led to the untimely deaths of 3 astronauts. This heartbreaking incident led to significant design and safety changes, underscoring the inherent risks of space exploration. Fast forward to December of 1968, and we have Apollo 8. This mission was a series of firsts: the first manned mission to orbit the moon, the first to see Earth as a whole planet, and the first to witness an Earthrise. The crew of 3 astronauts spent 20 orbits around the moon, paving the way for what was to come next. And then, the moment that humanity had been waiting for, and Apollo 11 in July of 1969 fulfilled President John F. Kennedy's goal of landing a man on the moon by the end of the decade. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin made their historic lunar walk while Michael Collins maintained lunar orbit, forever etching their names into the annals of human achievement. The Apollo missions didn't stop there, though. Apollo 12, 14, 15, 16, and 17 continued lunar exploration, each mission contributing unique insights and discoveries. The final mission, Apollo 17, in December of 1972, marked the end of the Apollo lunar landing missions, but by no means the end of humanity's drive to explore the cosmos. This timeline is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance, highlighting the highs and lows, the triumphs and the sacrifices made in the pursuit of knowledge and exploration. Each mission, each astronaut played an integral part in this epic journey, forever shaping the course of human history. Let's take a quick look at the timeline. July 20th, 1969, a date etched in history. The Apollo 11 mission achieved the seemingly impossible. It was on this momentous day that the audacious dream of setting foot on an alien world became a thrilling reality. The first manned mission to land on the moon was a testament to human ingenuity, courage, and the unquenchable thirst for knowledge that propels us beyond the boundaries of our known world. Apollo 11 was the culmination of a series of missions, each contributing vital pieces to the puzzle of lunar travel. The spacecraft, composed of the command module Columbia and the lunar module Eagle, carried a crew of 3 astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. While Collins remained in lunar orbit aboard Columbia, Armstrong and Aldrin descended to the lunar surface in the Eagle. Armstrong, the mission commander, was the first to step out onto the lunar surface. As he descended the ladder of the lunar module and planted the first human foot on the moon, he uttered a phrase that would echo through the ages. "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." These words, heard by millions around the globe, encapsulated the magnitude of the achievement. Buzz Aldrin soon joined Armstrong on the lunar surface. While on the moon, the 2 astronauts spent over 2 hours outside the module, conducting experiments, collecting moon rocks, and setting up equipment for future missions. Their actions provided invaluable insights into the moon's composition and paved the way for subsequent lunar exploration. Meanwhile, Collins, often referred to as the forgotten astronaut, had an equally crucial role. Alone in the command module, he maintained the lifeline back to Earth for his colleagues on the lunar surface. Armstrong's famous words as he descended the ladder, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed around the world, marking an unprecedented achievement for humanity. Apollo 11 was not just about reaching the moon, it was about pushing the boundaries of what was deemed possible, demonstrating the power of human resilience and ingenuity, and inspiring a new era of exploration and discovery. It truly was a giant leap for mankind. The impact of the Apollo program goes beyond the moon landings. This monumental endeavor didn't just put humans on the lunar surface, it sparked a revolution that touched not only space exploration but also science, technology, and society as a whole. It was a catalyst for technological advancements that have become integral parts of our daily lives. From the development of integrated circuits, which are the building blocks of modern computing, to improvements in telecommunications and satellite technology, the Apollo program played a pioneering role. But perhaps its most enduring legacy is the inspiration it provided to countless individuals around the world. The Apollo missions ignited a passion for the stars in generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. They showed us what humanity could achieve when we dare to dream big and work together. Moreover, the program fostered international collaboration in space exploration, setting the stage for future multinational missions. The spirit of Apollo lives on in our continued quest to explore the cosmos. As we conclude our journey into the Apollo program, remember that the triumphs and challenges faced by those early pioneers paved the way for the space exploration endeavors we witness today. The Apollo program was not merely a race to reach the moon, it was a testament to human curiosity, determination, and innovation. Born in a period of intense geopolitical rivalry, it transcended earthly boundaries, uniting the world in awe and wonder. The primary goal was to land humans on the moon and safely return them to Earth, a feat achieved magnificently in July of 1969. However, the Apollo program also had several scientific objectives, including lunar exploration, collecting samples and conducting experiments. Its legacy extends far beyond the moon landings, having spurred advancements in technology, inspiring new generations of scientists and engineers, and fostering international collaboration in space exploration. The Apollo program serves as a testament to what humanity can achieve when we set our sights on the stars. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic adventure. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.